I want to give you some styling tips on how you can pick your signature color and incorporate it in your house. Obviously, I picked pink as my feature color for this A-frame. This is a vacation rental, so I went all in. No one's gonna be upset that this house is too pink. They knew when they booked this gal, she was gonna be pink, and I wanted to push it to the max. Here's where you wanna start. Pick your base color. So, obviously, Priscilla Pink by Sherwin-Williams was my forerunner. She went on the inside, she's on the exterior of the house. Once I had that, it was easier to, bring in like brighter pinks. I went with bubblegum vinyl floors, 0 regrets. Next thing is you're gonna accessorize. So finding all these unique pieces that are gonna like bring your signature color to life. There's tons of like kitchen utensils that are, come in different colors. I found them in all pink. I'm sure you can find them in your color. Things that maybe are more customized, there are websites that host artist designs like custom curtains, custom bedding, things like the cowgirl hats, super easy to find online. Incorporating your signature color does not have to be super expensive. If it's not pink, paint it pink. This was not a pink lava lamp. No one's gonna know. She was meant to be pink, look at her. I painted these. Engine enamel. Not everything has to be new. You're gonna see vintage pieces throughout my house. Some were super steals, some I invested in. I don't know if you've seen these velvet chairs. They're from the 1980s. They have this gorgeous like retro stripe on the front. These are one of a kind. This is something that I would splurge on because you can't find it anywhere else. I feel like the lesson that I learned is I don't know if there's a limit. Like, it's your personality. Be bold, pick your color, commit to it, find your inspirational item. What's that one thing that will just make you excited about the color, and then you're gonna have no regrets. You're gonna find other things that are gonna tie to that in the room. It's just about having fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handmade for more home tours just like this.